Doors can be framed in two different ways. Here is one approach and here is a second approach. In this video I'll explain the differences between the two of them. Let's start with what's involved here. We have here a full-length stud. This one goes from the bottom plate to the top plate. Right next to it is a trimmer that goes from the bottom plate to some height. This is a filler and this one here is a lintel. So in this configuration here, the trimmer is supporting the end of the filler and the lintel. In the other configuration here, the trimmer is supporting the lintel directly and the filler is indeed between the trimmers on both sides. So according to some, this one is a better way to build because of the shrinkage in wood. Wood shrinks a lot in this direction. Oops, you get it. This direction, and when it does, the building will settle. If this one bears directly on a trimmer, wood does not shrink significantly in this direction along the grain. This is the direction when this was a tree. This is how this piece of wood was part of a tree's trunk. So it does not shrink significantly in this way, but it does this way. So when it does, the building will settle. So if this one is drywalled over, it is less likely to crack this way. Wood also shrinks. Never mind this one which got twisted as it is drying. Wood also shrinks this way quite a bit. So other than the twist that it developed over, I don't know, 3 weeks here in the shop in dry air, wood also shrinks this way. So this is a better way of framing because the shrinkage of, instead of two components, the shrinkage is only reduced to just one component. Okay, just the lintel, without compounding the problem with the shrinkage of the filler piece. In the other version here, the shrinkage of this piece of wood is added to the shrinkage in the lintel, therefore this is more likely to crack, whatever that actually amounts to. It could be microscopic, it could be significant, whatever. Wood always twists and moves. Look at this corner, that also just twisted up as it is drying out here. So this is the two ways of framing a rough opening, and that would be the differences between the two.